بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. معكم مستر هشام مسعف من مدارس السابلة. Today I am going to answer this worksheet with you. It is about aliens, unit 6 for 8th grade. First of all, you should all memorize the English meaning for all these new words for unit 6. And please don't forget to focus on the parts of speech. And here we have some words with their synonyms. Also, you have to memorize them. Let's start with the first question. Complete the following sentences with the suitable word from the box. Illuminated, persuade, flashing, fake, proof. And we explained all the meanings before. The first one, there is no clear that aliens have visited the earth. There is no clear proof. Proof is the correct answer. Proof means evidence. It was so beautiful when the palace at night. The palace illuminated. Illuminated means lit by bright lights. Sentence number 3. We don't like fake stories. Fake stories. Fake means made up stories. 4. Did you see the light flashing in the sky? Flashing means flickering. Flickering in the sky. Number 5. I tried hard to persuade my brother to go with us. Persuade means to convince. Reading comprehension. Before we start answering these questions, we should open Student's Book, page 70. Question 1. What kind of evidence do we need to believe in UFOs? Evidence means proof. What kind of proof or evidence? Let's go back to the text. You can find the answer here. We need something we can touch. Something we can touch. It means concrete evidence. Concrete, something that we can touch and see. Question 2. According to the first paragraph, why do people want to believe in UFOs? The first paragraph. So let's go back to the first paragraph. The first paragraph is here. The answer is one of the reasons perhaps is because of the large volume of reported sightings from around the world. This is the answer. Next question. Quote the sentence which indicates that we shouldn't trust a video clip of a UFO. Video clip. You can find the answer here. They are generally either focus, out of focus, shake too much, or poorly lit. This is the answer for question 3. Next question. Find a word in paragraph 5 which means lit by bright lights. Lit by bright lights. Paragraph 5. Paragraph 5 is here. This is paragraph 5. And the word is illuminated. Lit by bright lights. Next question. What does the underlined pronoun them refer to? The pronoun them in paragraph 3, line 1. So let's go back to the paragraph 3. Paragraph 3 is here. This is paragraph 3. Line 1. Them. People are often surprised when you tell them. Them refers to people. People. Next question. What do you think of UFOs? This question is for you to write your opinion about UFOs, whether they are fact or fiction. Next question. Find out a plural noun, a plural noun. Here we have a lot of plural nouns. For example, pages, magazines, people, objects. To a preposition, preposition of, and to, in. We have a lot of prepositions. Next question, an adjective, an adjective. For example, here we have flying, flying with I. Fly is the verb, fly with ing, flying is the adjective. Another adjective, here we have telepathic, telepathic. The noun is telepathy, the verb is telepathic. The synonyms of flashing, the synonym of flashing is flickering, flickering. A gerund, a gerund. A gerund is a verb with ing, which functions as a noun, like judging, judging. An infinitive verb, an infinitive verb. Here we have a lot of infinitive verbs. For example, to see. After to, the verb should be infinitive. To see, to be, to recognize, to watch. Could be. After could, modal verbs. Can be, could have. Grammar worksheet. In our class, we discussed all the types of conditional sentences, type 0, 1, 2, and 3. So please go back to your grammar notebook and revise your information. Now let's answer the exercises all together. The first question is, decide which of the sentences below is conditional, type 0, 1, 2, or 3, according to the structure. The first one, if I were rich, I would travel around the world. If I were rich, where here is verb, to, what plus infinitive verb. What type is this? This is type, according to the structure, this is type 2. Type 2. Number 2. She wouldn't have missed the train if she had woken up earlier. Would plus have plus verb 3. If clause, had, woken, had plus verb 3. So what tense is this? What type is this? This is type 3. Sentence number 3. I'll watch the film if I finish early. I will watch the film. Will plus verb infinitive, verb 1. So what type is this? This is type 1. The last one, or the last sentence. If the weather is good, he walks to school. Where is the verb here? Is verb 1. Walks also verb 1. So here we have present simple tense, and here we also have present simple tense. So what type is this? This is type 0. We use type 0 to talk about facts or real life situations. Question 2. Match the numbers with the letters to form conditional sentences. Number 1. If I were a millionaire, were, verb 2. Verb 2. So here we are in type 2. We need here what? What plus infinitive verb. So which sentence is correct? B. I would buy a beautiful car. So 1 with B. Sentence number 2. She wouldn't have had an accident. She wouldn't have had. Would plus have plus verb 3. What type is this? This is type 3. So we need here what? Past perfect. So which one is correct? C. If she had driven carefully. Three, I will go fishing. Will plus go. This is type 1. Type 1, according to the structure, we need what? Verb 1. Verb 1. If I have free time. Next question. Put the verbs in brackets in the correct form. The first one. Her father would not have died if he space go to the doctor. According to the structure, would plus have plus verb 3. What type is this? This is type 3. So here we need what? Had plus verb 3. Had gone. Had gone. If I wake up early, I will go jogging. Will go. What type is this? This is type 1. According to the structure here, we need what? Verb 1. If I wake up. 3. If he had been careful, he would not have had that terrible accident. Would plus have plus verb 3. What type is this? This is type 3. Had been. So we need here past perfect. Sentence number 4. He will visit his uncle if he finishes early. Finishes. This is verb 1. Present simple. So we need here what? Will plus verb infinitive. Type 1. 5. If she had taken care of her son, he wouldn't have become a criminal. Had taken here is past perfect. So according to the structure, we need here what? Would plus have plus verb 3. Wouldn't have become. If I were a star, where here is verb 2. So we need here what? Would help. Would help the poor. 7. I would have passed the exam if I had studied hard. Had studied hard plus verb 3. So this is type 3. According to the structure, we need what? Would plus have plus verb 3. 8. She would have been top of her class. Would plus have plus been. Verb 3. Here we should write what? Verb or past perfect. Had worked. The last one, I usually take some flowers if I go to a friend's house. Notice here we have what? Usually. So we consider this sentence as a real life situation. Zero type. Remember that we use the zero type to talk about something, to talk about habits, facts, and real life situations. The last question, replace if with unless in the following sentences. So instead of if, we should use unless. Unless means what? It means if not. If not. So here we should omit if and not. And we should replace if with unless. Unless she had climbed the tree, she wouldn't have broken her leg. We should write the second sentence without any change. I will let you to do sentence number 2 and 3 by yourselves. Writing worksheet. Let's start with editing. Here we have 3 mistakes. The first one is people is. People is a countable, a plural noun. Here we should use a plural verb. So people are often surprised when you tell them that the big bright flickering object they saw flying near the horizon. Here we have a spelling mistake. Horizon. It's written without the letter A. Horizon without A. Was not in fact a UFO but Venus. Venus, it's a planet. It should be written with a capital letter. It's a proper noun. A proper noun. The last question, guided writing. Guided writing. Characteristics of country people: live in small houses, grow their own crops, have quiet, relaxing life. The answer will be like this. There are many characteristics of country people, such as living in small houses and growing their own crops, full stop. Also, comma, having quiet, relaxing life, comma, too. Full stop. Please pay attention to the punctuation. Thank you for listening. See you next lesson.